How to fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11. So, here are the common Windows Media Player errors and fixes. First would be codec errors. So, the cause of this would be missing or outdated audio or video codecs. Now, to be able to fix this, go ahead and install the latest codec packs. So, to do that, go ahead and open WinI on your keyboard, and that will take you to settings. So on settings, head over to Windows Update. And then on Windows Update, go ahead and update Windows Media Player. Try converting the file to a supported format. Another issue that you would encounter on Windows Media Player would be playback issues. So the cause of this would be corrupted media files or unsupported formats. So to resolve this, go ahead and run the Windows Media Player settings troubleshooter. So click on WinI on your keyboard, and that will take you back to settings. And then on settings, head over to system, and then on system, head over into the troubleshoot tab. And then in here, click on other troubleshooters, and then select Windows Media Player settings and run it. Clear the media player library. Go to C users, your name, app data, local, Microsoft Media Player, and delete the database files. Restart Media Player to rebuild the library. Another thing you could encounter on the app is app not opening or crashing. So to fix this, go ahead and reset Media Player. So go ahead and open Control Panel, and then on Control Panel, head over into the Programs tab, and then in here, go ahead and click on Turn Windows Features On or Off, uncheck Windows Media Player, restart, then re-enable it. Run SFC scan now in the command prompt to repair corrupted system files. And lastly, is the missing or corrupted library. So to fix this, you need to re-add library. So go ahead and open Windows Media Player. And then on Windows Media Player, go ahead and head over into the Organize tab. So in here, go ahead and head over into the Organize tab. And then click on Manage Libraries and add folders manually. Ensure your files are not hidden or stored in restricted directories. And that is how you can basically fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11.